start.
Hi, my name's John. I'm out here Memorial Day weekend 2018, and we're hiking along the Trans-Catalina Trail. And I wanted to take a quick minute and give you an inaugural update or inaugural review of these Montem trekking poles. So far, I think they're great. They are quite lightweight. They have very smooth telescoping action. There's no binding at all. And then when you open them to your desired height, so for me it's around 115 centimeters, locks right in place. And you can adjust the tension on these with the little nuts right here, and they're quite strong. And as you can see, I put a lot of load on them, and they're nice and solid. So when you're hiking along, you also have your straps here. They're very solidly built here. The straps, you can pull on them, adjust it in, adjust it out, and so far it's no complaints there. Inside the strap, you have a nice little felt liner, which is nice on your wrists. And so far, after hiking about 20 miles, they're great. But I think the best thing about these poles are the cork handles. They're very comfortable. I've been just bare hands the whole trip, and they're nice and soft in your hands. And for the price point of these poles, I think you get a great deal and for great quality for something that you would be paying typically about twice the price. So overall, I like the poles, and I recommend picking up a pair.